Hi, my name is Jeff Fretch. Welcome to Axiory's news broadcast. Here's the latest high-impact market news for January 22nd. Euro-area finance ministers blessed the next disbursement of emergency aid for Greece, highlighting the goodwill that led to unblocking of loans last month from Prime Minister Antonis Samaras' government. The trouble-free payout of new loans for Greece indicates greater European political confidence in the ability of the government in Athens to press ahead with budget cuts and market opening initiatives outlined in the nation's international aid program. That in turn has helped lessen speculation that was rife last year about a possible Greek exit from the Eurozone. And other high-impact news, the Bank of Japan made its strongest commitment yet to end 2 decades of stagnation, shifting to Federal Reserve-style open-ended asset purchases while disappointing investors by delaying the program until next year. Governor Masaki Shirokawa and 6 of his 9 fellow board members voted for a 2% inflation target to be achieved at the earliest possible time, a pace not sustained in Japan since the early 1990s. While in judging the economy remains relatively weak and that consumer prices will be flat for the time being, the BOJ refrained from adding any immediate stimulus. The BOJ's independence may come under increasing pressure, with the government likely to demand a clearer time frame. And now, the most important upcoming fundamental news for you today, selected according to market movement significance. During today, we can expect the Eurogroup meeting in Brussels at 3 p.m. U.S. home sales and at 6 p.m. ECB's Draghi speech. Here are your major currency pairs. Up first, the euro. During the previous 24 hours, euro gained marginally against the USD. President of Bundesbank Jens Weidmann stated yesterday that policymakers should take decisive steps this year to possibly put an end to the Eurozone debt crisis. He also warned that putting pressure on central banks to pursue aggressive monetary policies could lead to competitive exchange rate devaluations. In Bundesbank's monthly report, it stated that Germany's economic slowdown is likely to be short-lived as the biggest euro area's economy's prospects have gotten better since the beginning of the year. Since the last 24 hours, the USD has lost strength compared to the Japanese yen. The Bank of Japan this morning improved its target for inflation and dedicated itself to open-ended asset purchases to remove Japan of its deflationary tension. The central bank boosted its inflation target to 2% and in a major policy stance shift, indicated that it would continue its assets purchases on an open-ended basis to further develop its monetary stimulus. Additionally, the All-Industry Activity Index dropped below market expectation. The BOJ's monthly report is due to be released tomorrow morning. Finishing up our broadcast is the Multitrader section. Today's Multitrader strategy is Fibonacci and fractals, which is one of the high-risk strategies. It made 11.42% profit last week, and today we have chosen its interesting recently closed trade. Fibonacci and fractals opened a buy position 5 days ago at 16.23 on sterling New Zealand dollar pair and closed 7 hours and 27 minutes later at 23.50, making a profit of 121 pips. All the strategies with information about performance and other characteristics can be found on our website. That's it for today. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for more in-depth currency news that matters to you. Also, don't forget to like us on Facebook and Twitter. Have a great day. Goodbye.